Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been dreaming of crisp lunar craters or that first glimpse of Saturn's rings, you are in luck. Today we are counting down the top 3 best telescopes on Amazon to kickstart your stargazing journey. We'll cover what each offers, optics, gear, pricing, plus the highs and lows. So by the end, you'll know exactly which scope suits your skywatching style. Let's blast off. 1. Skywatcher EvoStar 72 APO Doublet Refractor. The EvoStar 72 APO brings apochromatic precision in a feather-light package. Featuring a matched doublet objective with a synthetic fluorite element and metallic high transmission coatings, it delivers stack-sharp, color-free views of planets and bright deep sky objects. The 72mm aperture and 420mm focal length f5.8 yield a 2.3 degrees field of view, while the 10-1 dual-speed Creford focuser makes pinpointing targets a breeze. It arrives complete with tube rings, V-style dovetail, a reflex finder scope, and an aluminum carrying case. Currently available from $323.35 for new and lightly used units, it's a stellar pick for beginners on the go. Pros: premium color correction, ultra-portable at 4.3 pounds, detailed coatings, full accessory kit. Cons: no eyepieces or mount included, limited to manual operation. Review rating: 4.35, 105 reviews. 2. Vixen A80MF Portatu Refractor Telescope. All-in-one ease meets solid optics in the Vixen A80MF Portatu set. This 80mm f11.4 achromatic refractor comes mounted on the proven Portatu alt-azimuth system. No extra gear needed. You get two Plossl eyepieces, 20mm and 6.3mm, a 6x30 viewfinder, 31.7mm star diagonal, and a sturdy aluminum tripod with accessory shell. The slip clutch mount holds your target rock steady, and the full-height tripod keeps you comfortable whether you are scanning the moon or binocular challenging nebulae. It's listed at $728.99 directly from Explore Scientific. Pros: complete starter kit, stable Portatu mount, quality eyepieces included, effortless setup. Cons: heavier overall, 9 kilograms total, slower focal ratio limits deep sky brightness. 3. Skywatcher ProED 80 APO Doublet Refractor. Step up to apochromatic performance with the ProED 80 APO. This 80mm, 600mm focal length, f7.5 doublet uses a true fluorite element plus ultra-high transmission coatings for razor-sharp, high-contrast images. The 2 Creford-style focuser and included foam-lined case, 8x50 RACI finder scope, 2 dielectric diagonal, and 5mm and 25mm eyepieces mean you are photo-ready right out of the box. Just add a mount. You'll find new and used units starting at $510.66 on Amazon. Pros: exceptional color correction, robust accessory bundle, fine-tune focusing. Cons: optical tube only, mount sold separately, pricier than entry-level scopes. Review rating: 4.45 from 163 reviews. That's our top 3 lineup. Hit the comments with which scope you choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more gear guides. Clear skies,